Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how merging activities works on the Strava application and explain what you can and cannot do when it comes to combining workouts. This is a common question, especially if your activity was split into multiple parts by mistake. First of all, go ahead and open the Strava application on your phone. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. After logging in, you'll land on the home screen of the Strava application. This is your main dashboard where you'll see your recent activities, segments, posts, photos, and updates from other users you follow. From here, you can upload new activities, add photos, create manual activities, or edit and manage your existing ones. Now, when it comes to merging activities on Strava, this is where things get a little tricky. At the moment, Strava does not allow you to directly merge two or more activities within the app. That means if you recorded a run in two parts or accidentally stopped and restarted an activity, there's no built-in option to combine them into one single activity. One simple workaround, if you don't want to use third-party tools, is to create a manual activity. For example, you can keep one of the recorded activities and then manually add details in the description explaining that the workout included multiple parts. You can also upload photos from both activities to one main activity so everything appears together on your profile. These tools allow you to combine activity files and then re-upload them, but that's optional and not something everyone wants to do. So, to summarize, there is currently no direct way to merge activities inside the Strava app. However, you can manage your activities by editing descriptions, adding photos, creating manual activities, or using external tools if necessary. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped clear things up for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.